Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm showing you a very nice store in United States, but before we see the store, this is a Millenia mall in Orlando, Florida, and you can see how busy it is over the weekend. So without further ado, let's go together and see a very nice store, and let's shop at Williams Sonoma. So let's go inside and see what they have. First of all, as we walk in, you can see they have very nicely arranged this table. This dinner set is a Mediterranean set. They have all the dishes, matching spoons, matching napkins. Everything is very nicely decorated. You can see the pattern, very beautiful. And they have some separate plates and bowls with this set, which is also very unique and very beautiful colors. As we move forward, you can see they also have some food you can choose from. They have a whole section here for breakfast, pantry, and baking. So you can buy some ingredients here, and you can buy the utensils and baking pans. I will show you in a little bit. Here they have a whole section dedicated to the baking and all the appliances. So this was very nice. They have very beautiful bakewares. Whatever you need for your baking needs, you can come here and pick it. I was really amazed by how big of collection and how nice things they had. You can see they had bun cake pans, they had cupcake pans in different designs and different styles. They had spatulas, mixing bowls. Everything is all together in one place, so you don't have to wander around and look for things. And here they have little packages with all the ingredients to make a dessert. You can just take home and you can prepare your dessert. Even spatulas are attached to it, which is amazing. And now I'm showing you the appliances section. They have different brands together, and you can pick your whatever you need, like a juicer or a blender or a toaster. This Smeg is a very reputable company. And at the bottom you can see they have another reputable company, Wolf. They have a toaster oven, a sandwich toaster, and these are the kettles and the French presses. You can see different brands, different prices, huge variety, huge collection to choose from. As we move forward, on the right side, you can see they have air fryer, they have instant pot, which is very popular nowadays, they have panini press, they have waffle maker, and whatnot. Different price ranges, different collections, and they also have pizza makers. Now I'm showing you some beautiful collections of pots. They have different brands, different varieties, different colors. So this is by All Clad. At the front they have arranged All Clad brand, and at the back you can see one of my favorite brands, Creuset, because it comes in so many different colors. They have red, they have gray, they have green, they have yellow. Okay, so they have a new color that just came in, which is yellow. I couldn't take my eyes off that color. So it was beautiful, very eye-catching, and you can see they have very nice Dutch ovens, they have pans, they have skillets. Very nice, very beautiful. It's one of the very reputable company, and you can see all the different colors they have. And on the left they have another brand for the Dutch ovens and skillets, which is stove. They also have very nice maroon color and blue color, and I'm sure it comes in more colors, but they didn't have it in stock here, and at least they didn't have it on display. They also have white in stove, and they have green. And on the left they have some more all clad. So they have all clad copper core. These are stainless steels, different sizes, they have saucepans, they have pots, they have grills, everything you need. You can just come here and ask, and they'll get you a brand new piece from the back, and if they don't have it in stock in store, you can always place an order and they will ship it to your home, which is amazing, so you don't have to carry a big pot around the mall. The another brand they have is Calphalon, which is also very popular, and they also have pots and pans by Sonoma's own brand, and it is also very nice. So on the other side, they had very nice and cute kettle section. There you can see different kinds, different styles of tea kettles they have. It looked very nice and they arranged it very nicely. And you can see the different pricing and different designs they have. They have some more pots on the right. These are the copper ones, which is their specialty. It was very nice. And now I'm showing you some spatulas and some utensils they have. Any kind of utensils you need, from a lemon squeezer to a whisk or a knife or a scissor, you can come here and grab it. Either you need a wooden spoon, a plastic spoon, anything, you can just come here and grab it. And you can see they have arranged it very nicely. Everything is on. You can purchase one spatula separately, so you don't have to get a whole pack. And here they have a huge variety of mugs and coffee mugs you can pick from. And here it is a collection of baking wares they have, from cakes to racks, everything. And I will show you something that really was attractive to me. I really liked it. These pans are actually quite heavy. You can see all the cake pans and the bun pans they have. Very beautiful. Those colors are amazing as well. And they also have some pie pans and casserole pans, very nice. And they also have rolling pins. So here it is, the pan that I really like, the baking pan. You can make your jellies or cookies in there, or your chocolate. So it's very nice. You can see all the different shapes they have. It was very heavy actually. So let's move forward. I'll show you some cookie cutters they have. They have a whole row of cookie cutters and some more very nice specialties utensils. You can see they have silvers, they have plastics, and every kind of spatulas or utensils. Anything you need, you just come here and you grab it from this wall or from the other shelf I showed you earlier. Here I was trying to decide which spatula, if I need one or not. So let's move forward, and they have a very nice arrangement for some crystal glasses. You can see cocktail hour classics, where you don't have to use it for that purpose. These are for your guests when you have at home, or for decoration for your china. And you can see these are very nice cheese boards they have with letters on it. So this is amazing and perfect for a gift you want to give to somebody. These are made of marble. Very beautiful. And on the right they have some more beautiful crystal glasses and very huge variety of jugs. Also you can see they have some dinnerwares as well, from different brands, different colors. Very nice variety. Even Creuset makes their own dinnerwares. You can see the colors of yellow, blue, gray and white. They have different brands, different varieties, different collections. So whatever is their new collection, you will always find them at the entrance, like I showed you earlier. I will be showing you again on this section of the store. You can see it's coming, the Mediterranean dinner set I showed you. Here it is. Here you can see it in more details, and you can see the pricing. If you want to purchase it separately or you want to buy a whole set, you just ask them and they'll grab it for you. And on the left they have some more cheese boards, some cake stands, some candles, some bowls, some Cookware, copper collections. So they have very nice and huge variety of things to choose from. And here they have arranged very nice table with all the cookwares and all the dinnerwares. You can see they have trolleys, how you can decorate your table. It's very nice. And here is another table which was very beautiful, as you can see. And these chairs are on sale if you're looking for chairs. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to check out my other videos. Remember me in your prayers. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.